Hi everyone, I wanted to talk to you today about some of my favorite hair products for when your hair is really damaged and you're trying to bring it back to life. This is obviously a wig. So I recently got my hair platinum blonde colored. I'm going to insert a couple of pictures. And what had happened was, after the first time it looked great, the second time it looked even better. Third time it started breaking off a little bit. I started getting some little breakage. After the fourth time, it was done. It was damaged beyond repair. Some of it had to do with the extensions also, but it was just not good. My very favorite products to repair hair and to bring it back to life, because believe it or not, this is not the first time this has happened to me, and it probably won't be the last. I'm gonna say it's gonna be the last this time. So you gotta start with a really good shampoo and conditioner that does not have sulfates in it and that is not damaging to your hair. Very gentle, nothing crazy. No purple shampoo. I know your hair is blonde right now and you want to keep it blonde, but trust me, you're just not going to have any hair left, and it's just not worth it because your hair is already looking crazy. So I use BLEACH right now just because I still had it. It's for color treated, so your toner lasts a little longer, trying to preserve what we can. On the conditioning balm, also from BLEACH, which is a conditioner, but it's a balm. It's very gentle, but I rarely only use shampoo and conditioner. What I normally do is, okay, I will use the shampoo and I will use a mask. We'll use a hydrating mask. Okay, so let's say you wash your hair twice a week. The first time you use a shampoo and a moisture mask. I have this one. It's All Self Mega Mask from Redken. It's good, but honestly, any deep conditioning mask, moisturizing, look for the word moisture. It doesn't really matter which one, but you should get like a pro brand. You shouldn't get one from the drugstore. Now, the next time you wash your hair, you're gonna want to use Olaplex. I have something new from Olaplex that I'm using, which is like a double whammy. You put this one on when it's dry, and then after 10 minutes, you put the regular Olaplex. It's an Olaplex 4-in-1 moisture mask. They told me it's the same as number 3, but a little bit stronger. So I recommend, if your hairdresser has this, to buy this, or also the number 3 will be fine. This is a protein treatment. So then the reason why you need to alternate between them is because you need moisture and then you need to repair. If you only use Olaplex, the moisture is going to be missing and your hair is going to be brittle. When you're done shampooing and drying your hair, after the Olaplex, shampoo and condition. After you dry off, you want to use a leave-in conditioner. I really like this one, Olaplex number 6. Smells so good. It's just really good. Then if you have to heat style, I would use a heat protectant. I use this Redken Pillow Proof, but honestly, you can use any of them. I like this one, but there can be any heat protectant, any good heat protectant, not like some $2 one from Walgreens. That's what you want to do. If you can avoid heat and don't color it anymore. My hair, I'm going to insert some pictures. It's completely damaged. Right now I don't have roots because I just colored it, but I will, and it will be terrible, but there's wigs for that, or there's hats for that, or there's other hairstyles for that to mask that while you're in the transitioning phase. Because trust me, it's better to have some hair than have